Hello everyone, I hope you're not getting sick of me, but I am doing another video today because today my Cohorted box arrived for June and here it is. And just to show you that I haven't opened it, it's here. So I'm just going to tuck into this parcel and get the bag open and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've opened the outer bag. I'm hoping there'll be some makeup items in this month. I did love my hair items, I have to say. Right, let's dig into this box, shall we? So there it is. There's the box. Doesn't feel as heavy as last month, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. It's always lovely and wrapped. So excited. It's like having a birthday every month. Okay, so we have our little leaflet and it looks like there are products from This Works. Okay, so we'll see what we have here. So first on in we have the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So it says, a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. Lotion for the body. With sleep comes beauty. This works to deliver clean, targeted skin solutions that work in harmony with the body clock. Used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Contains a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cranberry and camelina sativa oils to nourish, support and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, love it, and chamomile. Oh, well, you know, I suffer from insomnia, so this is going to really be helpful for me. Anything that helps me sleep is a godsend. I'm just going to open this up and have a little smell. And I'll let you know what it smells like. I do have a sleep type cream from Lush that I love the smell of, but I haven't got much left. Very lavendery. Very nice. I might try some of that tonight. Very, very lavendery, but lovely. Very nice. Okay, let's see what else we have in the parcel. I think this is all by This Works. So then we have, yep, This Works My Wrinkle Midnight Moisture. So it doesn't say much. I'll have to read the booklet for this one. So My Wrinkle Midnight Moisture. Where is that? Okay, so this is recommended retail price of £14. An ultra nourishing overnight formula in an indulgently rich cream that works with your skin's nightly rhythm. Advanced retinoid complex and plant-based bakuchiol, which is nature's retinol. I've been meaning to try something with bakuchiol in it. Helps improve skin radiance and reduces roughness and dryness while gradually working on softening the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, plus Persian silk tree extract and hyaluronic acid. Natural fragrance will help unwind the mind. Some good ingredients in that. And as I said, I've been meaning to try bakuchiol. It's in Dr. Sam Bunting's night cream. It's nature's retinol and it's supposed to be just as powerful. I'm just having a sniff. I like to sniff. It's quite a thick cream, not as thick as Charlotte's night cream. But it smells gorgeous. That kind of spa-like smell to it. So pleased with that. I'll be giving that a try soon. Now, I don't know if I can use it when I'm using my other retinol. Okay, so next Oh, This Works. It's all by This Works this month. My Wrinkles CBD booster with Gran Active Retinoid. Another one with retinoid. A powerful booster with 1% CBD and Gran Active Retinoid for visibly firmer, more youthful looking skin. For face and body. 91% of users said their skin felt smooth upon waking. 98% blah, blah, blah. It says it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, skin irregularities, skin dullness, and hemp-derived cannabidiol, 1% up to 55 milligrams per bottle, to calm, nourish, and help maintain skin balance. Shake before use. For an intensive application, apply 3 to 4 drops to clean skin, avoiding the eye area, and allow to absorb before applying your moisturizer. So I suppose you would put it under that. So when I run out of my retinol, I'm going to keep those and use that. Then we have This Works In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer and Primer in one. And that's a little small size, and it says apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. Okay. What's it say about this primer? Let's see. Be camera ready in seconds with a mask, moisturizer and primer all in one. Brighten your skin tone in an instant. This high performance super blend features Bio Boost, their unique blend of antioxidant plant oils to rebuild and protect the skin barrier, along with hydrating hyaluronic acid and caffeine to rebalance and revitalize. It can be worn alone or as a base for makeup on any skin type, and comes in a durable handbag-friendly tube, so you can boost your skin wherever and whenever, ready for the camera at all times. Again, I've just got to try some on my hand. I know, I wish we had smell-o-vision. They've all got little thingies on them, but that's fine. So I might try this before my makeup tomorrow. So there it is. Feels very soft, melts into the skin very quickly. And again, smells gorgeous. They're all kind of essential oil smells. Okay, so that's next. I don't think we got any makeup, girls. We'll get to it at some point, won't we? 1 month. Then we've got Evening Detox CBD Booster. A powerful booster, and AHA complex. 1% CBD and 15% AHA complex for clearer, calmer, more even looking skin. Now this, let me look at this, what this says about this product. And I'll tell you how much it's all worth in a minute. Detox from your day and visibly reduce blemishes with 1% CBD and 15% AHA complex for clearer, calmer, more even looking skin. With citric, tartaric and lactic acids, gently exfoliates and helps to improve skin clarity, and CBD helps to calm, nourish and maintain skin balance. CBD seems to be in everything at the moment. Apply alone in the evening to double cleanse skin for an intensive boosting and decongesting treatment, or mix 3 drops into your regular moisturizer for a gentler effect. Okay, so lots of skincare. And next we have, I think this is the last item, isn't it? Oh no, there's something else in here. Right, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I've seen this before. I think I had this once. Again, this is all going to help me. It says it's got lavender oil in it, vetiver and wild chamomile. So the same scent as the body lotion. And you spray it on your pillow, basically. And what is this little thing in here? Let's see. This is Stress Check Roll-On. This works. Roll on to pulse points. Enjoy the scent and unwind. I could do with this today. I need a bit of unwinding. Mickey's home, by the way, everyone. Oh, that smells nice too. Now, what's in that? That's not eucalyptus, pine, something like that. Let me see. Have I got that right? Refresh and calm your senses with this aromatherapeutic rollerball. This eucalyptus, I was right. This calming and relaxing, super concentrated, natural super blend of pure essential oils includes refreshing eucalyptus to cleanse, invigorate and help counter fatigue and mental fatigue, frankincense to help you relax physically, and lavender to help hypertension and insomnia. Let's roll away all the stress. Interesting, I didn't smell the lavender in that. Glide onto wrists and pulse points at any time to relieve the feeling of stress. Roll into the palm of your hands and take 5 deep breaths. Okay, so that is the box. That is the complete box, I think. There's nothing else in there. So I'm just going to add up what's in this box. So we had the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which is £19.50. Now, it says Deep Sleep. Oh, yes, the Body Cocoon, which is £25. So I'll do all the maths in a minute. Then the Midnight Moisture is £14. And then we have there's an offer for 20% off their hyaluronic range and vitamin C. We have the CBD booster, which was £8. And the Gran Active Retinoid, £8. And the Stress Check is £11.25. So I will come back after I've... Oh, and the primer as well. Primer was £12. So I will just quickly do the maths and tell you how much this box would have cost. Obviously, I pay £40 a month for it, but I want to see what saving I've made. Okay, so the whole box value came to £97.75. So really good value. And I will use all of these. And what's really good about this box is that, okay, I joke that I haven't had any makeup yet, but actually it's getting me to try things that I may not try myself. And last month I really loved, I'm still using those products for my hair. I really love that thickening cream, and it's made me want to buy another product of Show Beauties. And who knows, with this one, I might be tempted to buy something else from their range. So I'm really excited to try this, and definitely I'm going to try this Deep Sleep Pillow Spray tonight on my pillow. I've been using quite a bit of aromatherapy recently. I got a couple of diffusers, and I've been diffusing oil from Neil's Yard, and there's one called Women's Health, and apparently Kylie Minogue uses it and recommends it. But my sister recommended it to me, and it smells really lovely. And then there's one that I've got for a nighttime blend that I diffuse into my diffuser at nighttime, and it really helps me to wind down. So, you know, these are products that I would definitely use. So I'm really pleased. So let me know what you think of this box. And if you've tried anything by This Works, and if you've got any products by This Works that you recommend, because there is a voucher in here for 20% off. So, yeah, let me know. And I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you on Wednesday for the live. I'll probably have a day off tomorrow because I'm looking after the patient, as you know. And so I'll probably have a day off tomorrow, but I'll see you all at 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye. Mwah.